हर महादेव। वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू टू डे 13। आज हम सब डे 13 पे आ गए हैं अपनी एक्टिविटीज़ और मैजिक प्रैक्टिसेस को कर करके। एंड वी आर एक्चुअली डूइंग मैजिक प्रैक्टिसेस एंड इंटेंसिव बुक रीडिंग एंड डिस्कशन फ्रॉम द बुक मैजिक बाय Rhonda Byrne. Each day is a learning experience. Now we are through with the basic stage, that is also the foundation level, that is lesson 1 through lesson 12 is basically the foundation stage. So if you have done all your practices from lesson 1 to lesson 12, you are now ready to move ahead to the intermediate level, that is the seedling stage, where we'll be learning how to use the magic practices in our daily life for various purposes. So let's get going. But before we do that, let's collect our energies together. Please fold your hands and indulge with me in a little gratitude prayer. एक gratitude prayer करेंगे हम, जो हम रोज़ करते हैं. अपनी energies को हाथ सेंटर पे आप focus कीजिए. Close your eyes and fold your hands in the namaste position. My soul bows to your soul. And let's breathe in deep and release. Awareness on the heart chakra. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for all the seen and unseen blessings and opportunities which I have received or shall receive with your divine love coming towards me. I'm ready to receive them with open arms, open heart, and all the love in my soul. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and so it is. तो चलिए, आज हम लेसन 13 के बारे में इस समरी में बात करेंगे. लेसन 13 में बेसिकली क्या बताया गया? लेसन 13 is a lesson which teaches you how to use the power of gratitude, जो आपने अभी तक लेसन 12 में फाउंडेशन लेवल में सीखा है. how to start using the power of gratitude in your daily life for various purposes. So the first and foremost is make all your wishes come true. We all have wishes and we all want our wishes to come true. So in this lesson, Rhonda Byrne has actually taught us how to use the power of gratitude to make your wishes come true. Norman Vincent Peale has said that imagination is the true magic carpet. A person who can envision it in the mind creates the reality. Everything that is a manifestation in your life, that is manifested in your life, actually is created twice, once in your mind and the other time in your real life. So जो भी चीज़ आप manifest करते हैं उसको अगर आप envision कर सकते हैं पूरे feelings और gratitude के साथ, तो वो चीज़ें definitely आपकी life में manifest होंगी. कोई भी thought अगर आप 17 seconds तक होल्ड कर पाते हैं अपने माइंड में एन्विजन करके, बार बार उसी को रिपीटेड मोड में एन्विजन कर रहे हैं, वो सच बन जाएगी. इसीलिए बोलते हैं अच्छा सोचो, अच्छा एन्विजन करो, क्योंकि आपकी वर्ड्स और आपकी थॉट्स बहुत जल्दी रियलिटी बनने की कगार पे होती हैं. अगर आप पॉजिटिव सोचोगे, अच्छी चीज़ें मैनिफेस्ट करने के लिए अपने माइंड में एन्विजनिंग करोगे, यू विल ऐड मोर फीलिंग्स टू इट. Definitely that thing will manifest in your life. So here I will again discuss with all of you कि lesson number 1 से लेके और introductory lessons जो हमने किए 1 से लेके और lesson number 12 तक, अभी तक आपने foundation level complete कर लिया है. Congratulations to all of you who have dedicatedly done all the magic practices. And now from here on, from lesson 13 onwards, we will be doing the seedling practices. That is, we will be sowing the seeds of creating magic. और उसके बाद के जो लास्ट के lessons हैं, they are like you are in the process of manifesting. You are ready to receive the fruits of your hard work. Alright, so we will be using the magical power of gratitude in this lesson. Now tell me something. Across cultures, आपने सुना है कि gratitude की power कई cultures में use होती है. For example, every year Egyptians pray across the river Nile. Why? So that there is continuous flow of water. आपने देखा है इजिप्ट जो है एक ऑलमोस्ट बहुत बंजर सा एरिया है, ज़्यादातर हमें वहाँ पे मडी और डेजर्ट जैसा दिखता है. सो इजिप्शियंस हैव बीन यूजिंग द पावर ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड एंड प्रेयर्स इन ऑर्डर टू मैनिफेस्ट continuous flow of water in river Nile. Same goes for various African cultures where people pray and perform ceremonies before even they start hunting for food. All right, and across American Indian cultures, various rituals of gratitude are performed so that the rains are continuous and they give a good crop. Rain dances are performed in various American Indian cultures. Also, I would like to say that law of attraction का भी अगर हम सोचें, so like attracts like, which means that if you create it in your mind, it will become your reality. Alright, so here I am sharing a recipe with all of you to create and manifest. तो क्या करना है? बहुत सिर्फ 3 words हैं: gratitude, envisioning and adding feelings to it. How you will feel if you manifest that thing is equal to manifestation. कोई भी चीज़ अगर आपने manifest करनी है, उसके लिए आप advance में gratitude कीजिए, उसको अपने माइंड में envision कीजिए, add every detail of that manifestation कि अगर ये manifest होगा तो कैसा दिखेगा, क्या है, कैसे. For example, if you want to manifest a house, so what kind of house is it? How many rooms are there? How does the drawing room look? How will you get the interiors done? What are the walls looking like? और इसमें आप जब मैनिफेस्ट कर लोगे तो कैसी फीलिंग आएगी, ये चीज़ें अगर आप ऐड करते हो, यू विल एंड मैनिफेस्ट, ट्राई टू मैनिफेस्ट इट. इफ़ यू ट्राई टू लाइक ऐड द इन्विजनिंग पावर टू इट, you will realize that you will soon manifest. The only need is to add the envisioning factor, gratitude and the feelings attached to such manifestations. So holy scriptures also say, हमने पहले भी कई बार ये चीज़ repeat करी है, that if you express gratitude for whatever you want, you shall be given more in future and you shall have abundance. Yes? तो सिर्फ जो चीज़ें हम लाइफ में रिसीव कर लेते हैं उसके लिए ही थैंकफुल नहीं होना. जो चीज़ें हम क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं उसके लिए भी हमें पहले से थैंकफुल होना पड़ता है, ताकि यूनिवर्स को पता चले कि आपको क्या चाहिए. ऑलराइट, क्योंकि जैसे ही आप ग्रैटिट्यूड पे करना शुरू करते हो और फीलिंग्स ऐड करना शुरू करते हो, और जैसे ही आप इन्विजनिंग करना शुरू करते हो, the universe starts creating circumstances to make it happen for you. ठीक है? So envision your desires, add every detail, minutest detail. For example, अपने कार अगर नई manifest करना चाहते हो, कौन से कलर की होगी, कौन सा ब्रांड होगा, कितने की होगी, how you will manage the EMI, everything dot to dot has to be planned to the T. Envisioned. And imagine bringing that car home. How will you do the puja? Who will you tell first? ये सब चीज़ें आपको ऐड करनी है. और जब ये envision करोगे, if you have a lump, swallow that lump. Feel the air around you. Feel how that magical moment will feel in your life when you manifest. So it's your duty to envision, add feelings and add gratitude. And things will manifest. Universe will do everything. वो सब कुछ बाकी का करना यूनिवर्स का काम है. आपको नहीं सोचना कि ये कैसे होगा, हो जाएगा. कैसे होगा वो यूनिवर्स अपने आप तरीका निकालेगा कैसे करना है. हाउ? बिकॉज it is not your duty to keep a track. how universe will make it happen, or gravitate that manifestation towards you. You don't have to loom in self doubt. You don't have to check again and again, अच्छा ये तो हो ही नहीं रहा, मैं कैसे करूँ, अच्छा ये तो हो ही नहीं रहा, मैं कैसे करूँ. For example, in this case I will say gravity plays a very important role. आप जब कोई बॉल ऊपर उछालते हो वो ज़मीन पे आती है. Yes, when you throw a ball up in the sky, it comes down on the ground due to gravity. When you put your foot down and you are able to firmly plant your foot on the ground and move forward as well. Why? Due to gravity. There are so many other examples where gravity plays an important role. All right. So similarly, gravity works for many other things, and in the same way, gravity also plays an important role in creating your desires. It is the power of this universe to gravitate things towards you. All right, so this is how it works. So now again, since I am not reading the lessons for you, I would refer page number 126 to all of you. You have to go through page number 126, and you have to see how those statements have been written by the author Rhonda Byrne. उन्होंने आपको तरीका सिखाया है how to write your manifestation statements. Alright, तो अभी आपको क्या करना है, आपको अपनी 10 desires ढूंढनी है. When you choose 10 desires, please do not choose from one aspect of life. It has to be from all the aspects. Some from your health sector, some from your relationship aspect, the other from your career zone, success and money. जो भी चीज़ आप manifest करना चाहते हैं, कुछ भी चीज़ अलग अलग aspects में उसको करिए. Divide your big sheet into different columns and write your desires. All right, now refer to page number 126 and try to create the manifestation statements, the desire statements as guided by the author in page number 126. She has written a long list. Go through every sentence. You will get to know how you have to write advance gratitude for your desires. Another thing she says is, once you fill everything according to the template that she has provided on page number 126, add thank you 3 times. When you add thank you 3 times, it is the magic number of creation. All right, it takes 3 to create: your mind, your body and your soul. So your subconscious, your unconscious and your superconscious, your desire to envisioning to reality. तो कोई भी चीज़ 3 steps में पूरी होती है. Alright, here I would like to share with all of you a very beautiful example. For example, a woman conceives a child and जब से उसको पता चलता है that she is expecting, she starts envisioning कि मेरा baby ऐसे दिखेगा, I will do this, I will do that. We put posters and we often realize कि जैसी पिक्चर सामने लगाते हैं बच्चा बिल्कुल वैसा ही पैदा होता है. माँ जैसा खाती है बच्चा बिल्कुल वैसा खाता है. What is this? This is a true power of miracle creation. एक सेल से वो बच्चा किस तरीके से एक पूरा ह्यूमन बीइंग या एक लिविंग बीइंग बन करके 9 months के बाद आपके हाथों में होता है. एंड व्हाट इज़ दैट? इट इज़ द ट्रू पावर ऑफ co-creation and manifestation. It is something you can relate to your desires also. When you want to manifest something, start with a thought that is a seed, that is one cell. When you have to create a full reality, envision it every day. जैसे कि what I'm talking is, when a pregnant lady eats, she thinks about her child so many times. She has so many tastes at that time. She will eat this, that. So she does everything that she needs to in order to fulfill that desire of becoming a mother, by taking care of herself, by taking, envisioning and thanking God for giving her this chance of being a parent, becoming a mother. So we have to inculcate the similar feelings towards our manifestation as well. I hope this makes sense. It is not a joke. Manifestation is not a joke कि हाँ कुछ भी envision करा ऐसे हो गया. It is a life transforming event. Even a smallest desire which needs to manifest needs to come from a point of purity and point of envisionment and point of seriousness कि आप कितने serious हो. अगर universe को लगेगा you are not serious about it, universe will not give it to you. He will only make way for things which make sense to you. Super consciousness is super smart in many ways than us. So add the emotions, feel how you will feel when you manifest, write every specific detail of how you will feel when you manifest, who will be the first person you tell, what are you wearing when you are there to manifest, when you manifest it, and what will be your first response, who will you tell first. So add more power to it by envisioning every specific detail. आपके इस टाइम में, इन्विजनिंग के टाइम में, अगर मुंह में जो सलाइवा है उसको भी आप लंप को स्वॉलो कीजिए. फील दैट मोमेंट, फील द एयर अराउंड यू जब आप मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हो. यूज द पावर ऑफ ऑल द 5 elements. Whether your body is feeling cool, feel your skin at that time when you are manifesting. Touch your arms and see how you are manifesting, who's standing with you. ये सब डिटेल्स जब आप ऐड करोगे और थैंक यू बोलोगे, things will start doing. Another super secret is, आप जो भी desires choose करते हो उसके लिए एक magic board बनाइए. Take a big board, put pictures of your desires on it and write thank you, thank you, thank you 3 times in bold letters. So it'll help you magnetize your desires, create your desires the way you want. Alright, I hope this helps. This is the summary for this lesson number 13, make your wishes come true. I will be sharing another video for the magic practice. I hope this helps. Thank you so much. Har Har Mahadev.